cam, everybody, and we're back. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, like smash it. And today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna be playing a game, and you're gonna see all of my cars, and we're gonna do races, and we're gonna do all this stuff. Well, let's get into it right now. Let's hit that button right now. And this is called Nissan's Heights, I think.
Need for Speed.
Need for Speed.
Heat.
Heat Speed.
Need for Heat Speed.
Need for Heat Speed. It's a silly name, everybody.
That's nice. It's called Need for Heat Speed.
And we're about to be starting up. Wait, why is the TV?
Just hold up. It's coming.
Oh, yeah. And we're here. Boom. Press X. It was on SP4. This is the SP4 right here. Yeah. We could do like races. We could buy cars.
Press the triangle button for accessibility options.
Don't listen to that.
Chat is enabled when you are.
Boom! We're about to get started here, everybody. We're gonna get a fresh start.
No curse.
Okay. I don't believe we're gonna do it. No. We're not gonna. The game's gonna load for a few minutes. Wait up, everybody. So, this is another truck that he bought. It's very cool. That's 350 in it. Let me open the engine. Okay, we're started, guys. So, like my car here, everybody.
So when are you gonna get your own place?
Go listen to him.
Like it? It's my RS here. It looks very special. And we're gonna check out all of our other cars here. And let me put that roar. Right, no, I hit it one button. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. And we got a BMW here. It looks very cool. You can see it right here. Yeah, it's very cool. I like the paint job, the big spoiler on the back. It's just so cool in blue and gray. I like that. And the side pops are inside of the car. Yeah, that's very, very cool. Anyways, yeah, the sound. Oh, that sounds so good. And now it's time to go to the next car. The next car we get is Challenger. I think this is 2010, I think. You hear the sound of it. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, here's the car here. Very nice. I forgot to do this. And look at the stripes. Those stripes are very good. That big bye-bye, because the races are trying to get in front of me. I'll go bye-bye. Look at super speed. That's why it says bye-bye. The black wheels, and the red and the white. This is so cool. It's one of my favorite cars. It says Challenger on the front. Yeah, that thing looks mean right there. We're going to take a look at it one more time. We're going to go to the next car. How about it? There we go. Hello, Dodge. Okay. We got our next car is... Okay. What is y'all bestest cars in the world? The muscle car. The Ford Mustang. Take a look at it. I did some couple details to it. I put it the rims and the stripes. So cool. Wow, that nose is just, I love it. I got 6 I got the thing in the front. And yeah, and I did the lights and it was blue. Wait, where's my bomb on that? This is the bomb right here. go. There it is. Right there. See it? Bomb run. Yeah. Next one, everybody. Take one more look at it. One more look. Say if you like this car in the comments. I put the stripes there too. Boom! Next car. Next car is. Yeah, Daddy plays this game too. So, it's just. This is his Audi. I was gonna get him one of these, and he said he didn't like the Audi for his birthday, so I got him one of these. And he said, well, I don't like Audis, but, well, you get it on the game, so. Yeah, I was seeing 6.6 brown, just like on the Mustang. And the wheels, you can see the wheels here. Yeah, that's super cool. Super nice, too. You can see the blue. I'm slower a little bit. See the lights and the little thing in the front. Take a look at it, hear the sound. There we go.
Take it to the back of the car, show the fire.
And let me see, y'all gonna see the fire too. Yeah, everybody wants to see the fire. Oh, that's super nice. Woo! That's very nice. Fire flames.
I'll go to the fire.
Okay. Yeah, Daddy's talking in the background. Talking to me. Do. And this car is one of your pretty. Yeah. Maybe one of your mommies will want to have this right here. A Mercedes. I put the rims on it. I did the color. See the rims. Turn the engine on. And I put it there. Woo! Then the drift works on the front. See the back. Woo! Change the red smoke. I accidentally did that. Well, we're going on to the next cars. Okay, which one? I think this is one of y'all favorites. The Corvette. One of the muscle cars. It is golden. It is amazing. It is fast. Look at those black lights, everybody. This big cam in the back, because that's my name. Or not big, this camera. Yeah. Look at those golden wheels. And black. It just looks super cool. I made this. Daddy has one too, so we're going to check that out. To look at the front, we'll turn it on. See the pipes. Alright. Everybody, time go to the next car. Here. Yep, the next car. And next car is a Buick. You know, somebody made this here. Go here. Well, Daddy put the rims on it. I changed the black and I put it the front thing. You see that and turn it on. It sounds weird. It just sounds weird a little bit. I don't know what's going on. Look at those rims. Those are so cool. It says in the front. Should I do the golden like on the front? Take one more look at it, everybody.
Shut it off right now. Turn it off right now. They go down. They come on out.
And turn it off. It has the air things on it, and you turn it off. It goes low. Turn it on. It goes high. Yes. You know, see the pipes. And time to go to the next car, everybody, because we've been spending some time on this car. And next car is a Dodge. A Dodge here. I changed it up a little bit. It was black. Look at this beast. And the blue. The blue looks very nice. I like that. You gotta put it the front thing. The front like stickers on it. Look at the light. Woo! Yeah, that looks super good. I changed the wheels. One more look at it, everybody. Turn it off. Yeah, it still has the air pressures on it. Yeah. Air ride, I don't know. Yeah, you see that. Okay, it's time to go next. Wait, that doesn't say Viper on a... Don't you should put that there. I think you did. The next car is it's a little car. It's a little BMW. MC, I think MS, I think I'm saying that wrong. M3. Right here I have the blue, the black wheels, and turn on. Sounds very good. And dark lights on the front. There's the air rides on there. That's my bumper. That's all I did to it. I hadn't done nothing else to it. It's time to go to the next car. Everybody! And the next car is... This is one of the famousest cars. A Jaguar. Made in 1922. Super cool. It's golden, just like... It's just so beautiful. Look at this sport. Yeah, but something's wrong with the wheel. It's fat. I'm gonna change that in a few minutes. Yeah, look at this beast. It's golden. It has a spoiler on the back. Darks a lot. It's so cool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna change that back wheel later. Let me change it now, so y'all can see what it looks like without the fat tire here. Yeah. There we go. Now let's go back. That's how it looks like without the fat tire. Let's take one more look at it, everybody. And then go into the next car. Right? Nah. Okay. We have very cool cars here. Daddy makes some cars too. The next car. Everybody's favorite car that everybody wants. A Land Rover. I think that's what it's called, Land Rover. This looks super cool. I put the wheels on it. I put the off-road tires and changed to black. Put another grill. It looks like a Ford grill. That's what Daddy says. I put the spoiler in there. I put the blue. And I made the lights dark. And Daddy's so mad that I changed the whole back. And got the spoiler. Spoiler right there.
You started it?
Look at that noise. I love that. Take it back. There we go. That doesn't have it. I just bought these yesterday. So yeah, this is a cool car. And this car is just race car. And we got this car here. It's kind of funny. I did a banana style, like, what about we do it a banana style? And I did like banana style. Like, banana BMW. I don't know, it's not an M3, it's just M4, I think, has the air rod in it, and the sound. It's kind of crazy, guys, this car. Take one more look at it. Go slow so I can see it. Because it calibrates the black wheels. And boom. The we're gonna go into our next car here. That car's kind of crazy. So let's go to some real cars, everybody. Let's go into some real cars. So we got another car. I figure out not looking at Daddy's car. He builds crazy paint jobs, crazy rims. Oh my god. This is his car right here. Turn on. This is a Lamb. Yeah, that's the sound. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. That's the spoiler on there. I don't think that's from RWK. I think he put that on there. What does that say on the back? Okay, I think it says body. Gold ink? Seriously, Daddy?
It says gold links.
Gold links. What does that mean?
It's gold, like a golden Cuban link, like a Cuban link chain.
Oh, and yeah, because it looks like chain. And he put it like the flag on the Lamborghini, and then on the top, the bit bulletproof. And this car is very nice. He builds crazy cars. So let's go, and we're about to check the next car. Okay, I think I should look at the RS. And next car is, yep. Okay, this is Daddy's car. He made this. I think this is a Jaguar Aston Martin. I don't know. It's a Jaguar, everybody. And look, it's all brown. I'm not trying to be mean here, but I don't like brown in my car. See the wheels? Every time he does the same wheels, I don't know why. And the same color. That's 6.6 right there. Daddy, that's not a Jaguar. Why don't see the Jaguar? That's super cool, and it has a turn on. And take one more look at it, everybody. See, it says bulletproof still on the car. And yeah. Let's go to the next car. I'm like, what? It's 32 cars. And he built another. This is not going to be great here. Look. I say it looks like snot. This is Daddy's. Like, he does crazy cars. It's like a military color. While on the front, it just looks like snot. Yeah, when you see that back end, it looks like snot. It's just a boring color. Look at the flag. He did the flag and the spoiler on the back, and he did the stuff in the front. Yeah, it's super cool and super just snot. I don't know, super snot. And turn it on. If I had a Lamborghini like this, I would do it blue and white. That's what I would do. That's sharp right there. Like, so cool. It looks mad. Let's go on to the next car. Next car is another Aston Martin here. Take a look at it. I like this. This is better than the Jaguar. This is so better. He did the black like on the back and the front. And the wheels are black. It's all black. I just like that. Yeah, I think he did the spoiler. Oh, that spoiler's kind of fat. Turn it on. Whoa, that car is nice. It sounds like you're dribbling the ball like 100 times. Yeah, I don't know why it makes that sound. Yeah, it's kind of boring. It's like, we can't go nowhere because it has too much custom. And we got another car. That's Fast and Furious here. This is kind of Fast and Furious. Daddy, does it look like Fast and Furious?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it had the flames and the cool color and the wheels.
Design that car.
You?
No, I did.
I did. Turn on. Lots of fire coming out of it and the light flat. That's a cool car right there. Fast Furious. What? Yeah, time to go to another car. That's almost all of our cars. We got another muscle car. Yeah, we have lots of muscle cars. Nah, it's not another muscle car. Look at this beauty right here. I made this. Super cool. I don't know. I think I know what kind of car it is. I don't know.
It's an
Afro Romeo, I think.
Alfa Romeo.
Afro Romeo. I think. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. This car is so beautiful. This is not probably what your mommy would want. You might give her this car right now for her birthday. Anyways, let's go to the next car. This car is a Camaro. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Somebody might want this. Tell me this doesn't look good. Tell me it does look good. They got the stripes there, you got the wheels, and you got the Camaro there. I think this is 68, 67. Yeah, or 69. I don't know. Turn it on. Sounds good, right, everybody? I think they said it was a 67. And look at this. This is kind of weird. I don't think it was like this, but when you turn it off, the lights are quiet, and it comes to this. But if you turn it on, it does the lights, and when you still turn it off and drive it, it looks like that. But look. Boom, it's off. Now it's on. Boom. On. There we go. So that tells us if your car is on or off. Anyway, let's go to the next car because this car is really excited to see the video right here. Because now we can take a picture. And we got another car. Daddy's why? It's a Porsche. He does it brown again. Why? I don't know. I guess he likes the color brown and his skin is brown. I don't know. It thinks it's black on fire.
It's black carbon fiber.
Black carbon fire, that's what he says. And it just looks, I don't know why he keeps doing brown. It looks brown, but it kind of looks black. Convertible again, but he didn't do it on that side? Why? He had it on the other side too. I guess he took it off. And look at those wheels. They look very nice. That's a 6.6. The guy is in the way, my guy. And taking pictures of his car. The guy's to the right. Yeah, he's my old buddy there. My old butler. Oh, let's go to the next car. This is a car from earlier, I think. Or I guess I didn't do this. This is probably one of my favorite cars. It's one of my favorite cars. Somebody gave me this on this game, I guess. It's super cool. I do races with these. It's a Nissan RT? GTR. I call it the RS. That's its name. RS. Nissan. And it's very cool. I had a done nothing to it. It's just everybody did the decoration. Who I had this guy's looking at it. Does that say Volkswagen on his shirt? That's a Volkswagen. Wow. It looks like a Volkswagen sign and America on the back of this
It's
shirt.
a peace symbol.
That says peace symbol. I think it's wrong, but okay. Take one more look at it. Well, this is a car race today. Okay, we're almost done, everybody. Almost.
You show the truck in there.
Let me show Daddy's big fat truck. Seriously. That has the air rides on it. He stole my truck. Usually my truck, they have that big wedding thing on the back. So ugly. Well, I'm not trying to be mean, but it looks okay. But when you turn it off, I don't like the air rides, like it's so low. I don't like it.
Stop it right there. It's hard there.
And then it goes up, goes up. Now it's hungry for eating cars right now. Yeah, I put it to black, the room. I put it to black first, and then he said, do the rims, that just the Ford rims. Like, okay. This is my best rims. I couldn't find no truck on this. Like, ooh, I found these. Okay, let's do it. And then he stole my truck. Like, looking at it and like, ooh, I want this truck. You're gonna get a new one. That's the Land Rover we just got. That's mine. That's my new truck. Take one more look at it. It pops. Ford. I think this is I think it says in the back Ford 150.
Ford Raptor.
Ford Raptor.
Yeah, I turned it off.
God damn! Has the bulletproof on it. And let's go to another truck. We got our last car here, everybody. I don't think we're gonna drive it because it'll cost us. Yeah, the kids don't want to. What?
Show the Corvette.
Yeah, your Corvette. And we got two more cars left. That is the same car. Look at this beast right here. Daddy did this. With the black on the back and the wheels. Well, he actually got those wheels from me. Because he said, oh, those wheels actually look very good. So I'm going to do them my car. So I copied mine. And look at the stripes. Looks like Superman's car right here. Superman, then put it to whites, and put it build and destroy. I don't know why he put that there. And we got the stripes. Look at it, water gun. Now we have look. It's KC3TV. Yeah, that's his show, but. The show's called Autoholics. Yeah, so I guess that's. Yeah, let's start it up. That gun starts just like my Corvette, Daddy. So why you said start it up? Sounds just like my Corvette. Because it is my Corvette. Well, it's not my Corvette. We got one more car here, everybody. Yeah. One more car. Daddy says he doesn't want this anymore. But, well, this is an Aston Martin, I think. And we got the gray. He put the flag on it. I think that's British flag. Yeah, British flag right there. Because that's where it came from. And we got bills. And we got 6.6. The wheels are very nice. I don't want him to sell this. And yeah. He doesn't drive this anymore. I guess he just looks at it. Start it up here. Oh, very nice. Does it have the air ride on it? Oh, it does. Let's take one more look at it. This looks very nice. I don't want him to sell this. Take one more look. Go slow here.
Go out there and raise them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank y'all for checking out another episode of Ridez with Cam, car show with the car channel with the car show seen through a child's eyes. My name is Kevin Cook. Once again, this is my son Cameron. Tell everybody, hey, Cameron.
Hi.
Okay. But this episode here, we pretty much did a COVID-19 setup to where we let you all go on here and look at Cam's cars that he's been customizing, along with some of mine also. The purpose of this is to keep us safe, also keep the show going with new and different content. And like I said, once again, it's still all kid-friendly content. So nothing, you're not gonna have no cursing in this. You're not gonna have, a lot of grown-ups. You might have heard my wife talking in the background on this one because she was having a meeting upstairs. So, but anyway, in the next couple of videos, you're probably gonna see a lot of stuff that's done inside house. Keep it from having to go outside and be exposed to this pandemic that's out here. I can't stress enough, people, please stay safe, stay in your homes. Just because the government puts it out there doesn't mean, puts a mandate that you're gonna have you coming outside and endangering yourself just so they can test to see if this virus is killing more people or what it's gonna do to you. Don't be a guinea pig for the government. I mean, let's just use some common sense, people. I don't care what side of the political scope you're on. Let's just use some common sense, people. All right. Anyway, enough of that. I'm not gonna make this a political thing. You like the shows, you like to see, you want to see the next Ridez with Cam series, click on the subscribe button and subscribe today so you can be able to, and also, I don't think there's notifications on his channel because it's a kid's channel. Yeah, I'm positive there's no notifications. So in order to get the notifications, we have a Facebook fan page, a Ridez with Cam Facebook fan page, and I'm going to put that information on here also. Also, follow him on Ridez with Cam on Instagram. I'm also going to add that information on here also. So, but anyway, in the meantime, I'm glad. I hope you all like what you saw. Cam may have something he want to say to y'all.
And make sure to hit that like button. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, and thanks for watching our video. 1,000?
You don't want a million?
1,000.
You don't want a million?
1,000.
A million is bigger than 1,000. A million is real. Is a whole lot bigger than 1,000.
Well, we're just do 1,000, and after that, if we get 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a million.
Oh, so you want to go by steps, baby steps, huh? Oh, okay. So I guess we do baby steps. Well, like I said, we're looking for a million subscribers. Anyway,
1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers. Okay, we'll start with 1,000. We'll start out modest with 1,000. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all for checking out our program once again. Have a great day, and you guys stay safe out there.
And thanks for subscribing.
Okay. Oh yeah, and thank you for you all who already subscribed. We want to thank y'all so much for watching and keeping up with this Ridez with Cam YouTube series. All right, that's it.
Yeah.
For
Bye.
sure. All right, bye everybody.
Make
Stay
sure to
safe
subscribe.
and stay safe. Peace.